Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ṣé dáadáa la bá yín? Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé ẹlẹ́nu òfófó ni wá ìfihùn sábẹ́dẹ̀ máa ń ṣòro fólé lórí. A máa ti ṣèwádìí lóní kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ kó tó di pa máa sórí ìkànnì yìí fún yín láti gbọ́. VeryDarkMan rèé, ó máa tuntun jáde tún ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ̀ bí wípé kí ni VeryDarkMan wí. VeryDarkMan tún pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ rọ̀ nípa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀sùn lọ́bì kan pé kí ni VeryDarkMan ní pé kó prove evidence. Ẹ wò ó, VeryDarkMan tún sọ pé kí TVC News kọ́ invite òun. Ẹ wo gbogbo nǹkan tí VeryDarkMan sọ òun náà lè máa jẹ àǹfààní lórí ìkànnì yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ti mọ̀. Tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé èyí tún darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share, wàá lè máa jẹ̀wọ́n àǹfààní kọ́ńtẹ́ẹ̀tì nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá fi léta. Wàá lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Gẹ́gẹ́ mi sọ pé fídíò wọn alẹ́ tá a máa play fídíò náà rè ó yà iná ẹ̀ wò ó.
Alright, so first of all, happy Sunday to you guys. Second of all, please, guys, tag TVC News on this post. Please tag TVC News on this post because I want to go and defend myself over some allegation that one of their guests made on their TV station recently. So yesterday, a guest was invited to TVC News where the person made some allegations about me. One of the allegations is that I took 20 million from my NGO account and I used it for something else, therefore accusing me of fraud. Another allegation was that I am into men. And all these things was said without evidence. So TVC News, since there was no evidence and some people already believe, I want to come and defend myself on your TV station. Please send me an invitation. So guys, tag them to send me an invitation. Now, after defending myself, I would like to also talk about some things because I heard that Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the owner of TVC. So I would like to come on the TV station. After defending myself, I would like to talk about these things, which is really important for us Nigerians. You know, it's really important. Number one, I'll start with the first one before I list the others. The first one is that there's a revelation made by one politician in the US. And this revelation is very, very scary. That the US aid was funding Boko Haram and sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria that have claimed the life of a lot of people. So APC government need to come out and tell us if this revelation was true, if this revelation is true or not, because it's scary and crazy. It's really scary and crazy. So they have been using us to play politics. So all those talk of say Boko Haram, now Islam motivated, now Muslims they do and now this one where they talk say they say no to Western education. Now why did they buy people? You understand? Now they are saying that it was politically motivated. And I'm also hearing that it was motivated to push Goodluck Ebele Jonathan out of office. That's number one. Now, number two, there are some loans that Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu have collected. And I don't know where all these loans have gone to. Right? Now, let's start with this one. It says 600,000 students have received loans worth 104 billion federal government under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu government. So, these 600,000 students, who are they? We need to see their names. You see, recently, Davido share money for orphanage. He lists the names of the orphanage. They even put them all over the news. So we want to see these 600,000 students. Do you understand? And want to ask questions. Did they really get it? Or now una go fabricate the story so that una go use and chop money. So I want to ask Tinubu, since I didn't get the station, maybe he will answer. So please. Secondly, Nigeria has secured $1.1 billion AFDB loan to provide electricity for 5 million people by 2026. President Tinubu. So here's the question, President Tinubu. So you want to use $1.1 billion for lives for 5 million people and we get over 300 million people for Nigeria. If you decide to buy Meccano for all of them, the Meccano gen where go they run 24 hours, they supply them petrol for diesel for 1 year, it's still no chop $1.1 billion. So we want to see his plan. We want to see the blueprints, the blue plan. And where these 5 million people go there. I be this one again, another scam. Now, during that fuel crisis time, there's this $2 billion that they said they went to go and collect for NNPC. But up till now, this fuel matter, we still never get them balanced. So this 2 billion, how they really take spend down, we really want to know. And this one of Nigeria reportedly set to secure another $500 million one-back loan for basic education. Our basic education is still failing. I never see one place where they say government starts with. So what's really going on? You know, what's really going on? And now this basic education make me even start NGO before. Basic education and boreholes and some place where no get water. So again, To sum it up, I don't see any reason why they are collecting this loan when these same people claim that they stop fuel subsidy because they are spending billions of dollars. So all those billions of dollars we wanna make since we wanna don't stop fuel subsidy, which you wanna use them do? Which you wanna use them do? So please, TVC News, if you don't invite me, you understand? It only means that TVC News is not a news station. It's a Tinubu station. If what they are saying is true, that it's Tinubu that owns it, it only means that they are only there for propaganda and narrative, and they can never talk about the ills that the APC government and Tinubu government is doing. So TVC News need to invite VeryDarkMan so that I can defend myself against the allegation and I can talk about these whole things that I've listed, because it is important for us Nigerians to know where all this money is going to. And so all those Nigerians who care about my NGO, we should also care about the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu government and all this money that they are spending, you know. Yes, we need to know. And they don't buy cars for senators, 120 million. You know, a lot of crazy things have happened in this regime in just in less than 1 year, be 2 years. No. We need to know. We need, who they know, can they come? We need to know. So please, TVC, like I said, if you don't invite me to TVC News, it means that you are not credible. That TV station is nonsense, and it is for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and to push his narrative and propaganda, and it's for APC. So thank you very much, guys. Please tag TVC News so that I can be invited. Me and my crew, they come. Peace and love. Don't play. If you play, you go and learn, and you will learn the hard way.
Kí lẹ́yìn náà rí sí fídíò yìí tí mo play tán fún yín sí? Kí lẹ́yìn náà wo kí n go pin ní comment section. Tó bá yẹ pé gbà kọ́kọ́ rèé tún darapọ̀ mọ́ kọ́ nìyí, bá subscribe kó like kó comment kó share. Wàá lè máa jẹ àǹfààní content yìí nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá bá fi léta. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé àwọn ò ní takò ẹnikẹ́ni lórí ìkànnì wa. Ọ̀pá pọ̀lọpọ̀lọ kò ṣeé péjò. Ó dàbọ̀.